good? It is your favorite actor here, back with another video. Yes, sir. And as you can tell, I don't have my AirPods on. So this video is a bit different. It's a bit different. I'm cleaning up just a little bit. Right now, I want to do something pretty cool. My opinion is pretty cool. This unboxing the new, brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max. Woo. Woo. Just saying it gives me goosebumps. So basically, I just want to do a regular unboxing video. Nothing top tier and like the unbox therapies, the Marquise Brownlees, your average consumers. I'm not going all into depth all that, okay? I'm not going into details about why I like and stuff like that. If you guys want that, get this to 15 likes, and I might do like a little, 1 month review, maybe 2 month review, and go more in depth, and let this video get a little bit more edited about why I like this phone and how I feel about it. Besides that, let's get into it. As you can tell, it's still in the package. The plastic is still there. Little, don't know what that is, but it's still there. So hold on. Shh, shh, shh. Ooh-wee, mama. Let's look at that. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. Now, hold on, let me. Y'all see that? Ooh. Now, I got the graphite color. I really liked it. It's between the Pacific blue and the graphite, and I just feel like the graphite was more me. It's more, chill, more sleek, that's my type of color. The Pacific blue, oh, I can't pronounce today. It's more popular color. I understand the blue is very vibrant, very cool also, but the graphite is a color for me. Hold on, let me, let's get into what we have here. Obviously, you had a little packaging, a little stickers, nope. See that? No one cares about it. Okay. Obviously, you had a little charger thing, cool, cute. We get it. Obviously, you're not putting out adapter this year because it want to be friendly, environmental friendly, things like that. So I had to buy adapter separately. It's a 20-watt power adapter by Apple's. Cost me $20. I don't know why they couldn't just include it, but hey, Apple has to do what they have to do, I guess, right? So as you can tell, you have the 3 cameras, you have the LiDAR sensor, and let's look at the beauty. Hold on, let me take this off. Shh, shh, shh. Whew. As you can tell by reflection, hey, this is legit. I actually had the 12 Pro. Yes, I had the 12 Pro. I actually made a video on it. I didn't upload it because I was really waiting on the 12 Pro Max, which is right here, to really have my, little comparisons on it. Now, I do not have the 12 Pro anymore, so that's a bummer now, but from this phone and the 12 Pro, the Max is more for me. It's much bigger. It fits my hands better. The Pro, it was like this, and I can just, come on. I have big hands, so the Max is more for me. Obviously, it's an extra $100 I had to cough up. My pockets do not feel well because of it, but I'm happy with it. I'm glad with the decision. Obviously, I will tell you guys the whole new components with it, the A14 Bionic chip, and all that good stuff, but this video is not for it. We're just doing a little quick unboxing and my little, initial review, my initial reaction about how I feel about it. And let me tell y'all, make sure y'all know it's legit. Let's turn on. Come on. Hey, it's legit now. I wouldn't lie to y'all. So, yeah, I don't have much to say. I'm in awe. I'll just look the shiny. It's gonna pick up a lot of fingerprints, and it's a fingerprint magnet for sure from the size, for sure. But the back is matte black. No fingerprints over here. But besides that, that's pretty much it. It's the iPhone 12 Pro Max from your guy, Just Bobby. Make sure to subscribe if you're new, like, comment, and share to all the new people, your friends, your mom, your dad, your cousin, everybody. This is Bobby, and I'm going. Peace. Hold on. Hey. One quick second. This I said before, beginning of the video. If this gets 15 likes, if it's gonna push 20, I'll be even happy. If it gets 15 likes, I'll do like a 1 month, 2 month review about how I really feel about the phone, and more detail about the components of the phone, this and that, blah blah blah. But you guys not here for that, all right? You guys not here for that. I just want to give you a quick reaction about me unboxing. That was it. I'm going. Peace.